I say stuff. I do it all the time. In my last video, I casually proposed a structure for when you are designing storage for voxels in ray tracing. Having 64 bricks per leaf node is much better. This way, a node either has a maximum of 64 children or a maximum of 64 bricks. But how can I be so sure exactly? After all, I implemented this almost 2 years ago. Well, good thing my library is open source.
I just flicked up the repository, opened up the PR list, looked for relevant titles, double-checked with the issue, and checked out both versions of the library to measure frame times both before and after the change.
As you can see, in the first 300 frames or so, the improved structure is actually worse than the original one. Dude, what the I'm guessing the cache lines are hard to build up just right for this one. But this is only for a blink of an eye and the performance is better afterwards. Yup, a good half a millisec. That's not the best I ever did, but it helped open up the possibilities for even better compression in trees. So let it be known that I always go the extra mile when